Hi guys, I hope you're having an amazing day today. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of October. This bag recently went up in price a little bit, so it's now $13 a month, I believe. And I'm also going to be unbagging the Ipsy 10-year Glamiversary bag here, and I want to see what's in it with you guys. I don't know yet. It did cost $30. So today I'm going to show you both bags, and we're going to talk about makeup and skincare. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I know that the Glam bag went up in price a little bit recently. When I first got it years and years ago, it was $10, and then last year when I rejoined, it was $12 and now it's $13. So yeah, I feel like everything's going up in price, so I just wanted to let you know in case you didn't know. But this month's bag, I actually really like it. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea. The reason why I like it is because I have way too many of these bags, and I feel like I don't need any more, so anything extra that's different I feel like adds something to my collection. I don't have anything like it, so I think it's cool. And with Ipsy, you're able to customize 1 out of your 5 Glam bag products. So let's go ahead and see actually the card. I'm going way too fast. The card, the theme for this month for Ipsy is Pretty Wicked. I think it's really cool. I love the bright green with the dark black lips. So now let's get into products. With Ipsy, like I mentioned earlier, you're able to customize 1 out of your 5 products in your Glam bag. And I always like to share my choices because I think it's fun to talk about. I had a lot of choices. With Glam bag, I feel like I'm getting so many amazing options for such an affordable bag. So I'm going to try to get through these really quickly. I have the option of the Wilma by Sharon Natural Volumizing Mascara, Tony Moly Pumpkin Retinol Eye Cream, Way Detox Shampoo, Lottie London Slay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Yaz, Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream, Briogeo Hair Care Defining Cream. Then also the Lovecraft Beauty Gel Liner and Motor, Basic Beauty Lip Gloss and Literally, Chasing Rabbits Mindful Bubble Cleanse, the Seraphine Botanicals Luminizing Primer and Peach Glow. This works in transit, no traces. Okay. Theory Charcoal Bamboo Detoxifying Body Scrub, the Balm Cosmetics Highlighter, Sugar Cosmetics Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Balm and Mojito, as well as the Real Her Power Wear Blush and Not Your Average, Pistache Skincare Pistachio Hand Cream, Farah Medium Angle Shading 55E Rose Gold Collection Brush, Duce Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen in Black. So as you can see, some just incredible choices, and I was really impressed with all the choices. Now let me confirm because I actually forgot what I chose. So I chose the mascara because I wanted to try this brand. So it's the Wilma Beauty. I'm not going to open it because I have way too many mascaras opened up, but this is the deluxe sample, and the full-size version of this product retails for $8. So I'm excited to give that a try very soon. I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. The next product that I have here is a brush from Farah Brushes, and this is like a concealer brush. I love this brand of brushes, and I love these kinds of brushes as well, like flat concealer brushes or flat brushes that I use for my lid. And I feel like they're perfect, and I try to collect as many as possible because I use them so much. So that brush actually retails for $10. And the next product here is the Pure 4-in-1 Pressed Mineral Powder Foundation, SPF 15 in Golden Medium, which I was really interested to see how big it would be, and it's actually not that small. Like in this $13 bag, to get sort of a foundation sample deluxe product, I feel like it was so interesting. So this is what it looks like. I think this is awesome. I love getting these kinds of products in my $13 Glam bag, so I feel like I can get use out of this. I don't like sometimes some of the like tinted moisturizers that I've gotten are so tiny that I end up not even trying them out. But for some reason, powder I feel like I can actually do something with. So this one is a deluxe sample, and the full-size version of this product retails for $29.50. And everything that I've tried from Pure Cosmetics I really enjoyed. I tried their tinted moisturizer that I received in BoxyCharm before, and I loved it. So I'm excited to give that a try as well. And next here is the Mirad Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. I like Mirad products. Some of them are too scented, some of them are not heavily scented, and I enjoy those even more. So this is a Youth Renewal Night Cream. Okay. That's what I love about this little bag, that you get like adorable little products, and they're like sample sizes, and I just feel like you see like this is not overly scented. I might try this out. You get to try really nice products without having to commit to a really big size product. So if you like that, this might be the bag for you. So I feel like it's not heavily scented, and I'm gonna give it a try very soon. Okay guys, so the last product in my bag is the Basic Beauty Hot Cocoa Balm Eyeshadow Quad, and this is the full size and it retails for $22. I love these adorable little mini eyeshadow palettes in this $13 bag because I feel like they're just, first of all, they're cute, super adorable, and you can carry them with you anywhere you go. Super travel friendly. That's what the compact looks like. Really, really cute. Let's look inside. Okay, there's no mirror, which is fine, but this is what the colors look like. Really pretty neutral palette. So if you like more natural makeup, this might be perfect for you to have in your purse for on the go, like before you gotta go to work. Maybe you need to do your makeup in the car. That's perfect for that. But that was the last product in my glam bag. So overall, I got a powder foundation from Pure Cosmetics, this eyeshadow quad, this really nice concealer brush, this Mirad night cream, and this Woma Beauty mascara. So I think I got an awesome bag for only $13 a month. I think this bag is definitely worth it. Now every month is not the same, but I can say if you like trying out new products and you don't want to commit to like the big size of products and spend too much money, this might be the bag for you. Now I really wanted to just share with you guys this bag here. This is the Ipsy 10-year Glamiversary bag. So Ipsy, I guess, turned 10 years old, and I never do these mystery bags because I feel like I always feel let down and I expect too much. But this one was $30 and I did not want to spend the money, but I did because I wanted to try it out, because I thought for their 10-year anniversary Ipsy needs to go all out. So let's see what's in it. Look how beautiful. The bag itself kind of makes me happy. Like, it feels like it's enough because look how gorgeous these shimmers are. Just out of this world. I love it. One of my favorite bags that I've ever gotten. So okay, first product here is the Mirad Hydration Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. I have a few of these, the products from this specific line. So this is Serum. Says here to use AM and PM massage evenly over clean face, neck, and chest. All right. Okay, so I have the moisturizer from this line specifically, so maybe I'll give this one a go. So the next product here is the Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter in OMG, which I actually already own because I got it in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus this month. And I also have like a small size that I got in my Look Fantastic beauty box. So I'm going to include that in a giveaway that I'm putting together for you guys. I still don't have a day of when I'm going to announce it, but I'm going to include that in that giveaway because I love this. And I think you guys will love it too. Okay, the next product here is the Tarte Light Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara, which I'm not going to open. I mean, that picture looks like it's promising for sure. I'm not going to open it because I have so many new mascaras. But I feel like I tried this so many years ago. I love this packaging. I don't know why. I think it's so cool. I like Tarte's packaging a lot. But I'm going to keep that in my collection and use it one day. I'm not going to open it because I just don't want it to go bad. And then it looks like we have two more things in here. This is the Pacifica Beauty Cheeky Cherry Cheek Stain Lovely Sheer Color. So it's like a liquid blush. I love these kinds of products. Look, that looks like a really pretty color. I think I'm going to try that out very soon. I'm not going to open it yet either because I have a lot of like cream blushes right now. But I like this kind of product. And lastly, we have the Artist Couture Silky Lip Oil. Let's take a look at it actually. I have not seen this product before. Wow, how pretty. This is pretty. I actually been loving lip oils. Let me smell it. Oh my god, it smells really, really good. Like almost like candy. And this applicator is huge actually. Look at that. So actually at first I was gonna say I'm disappointed there's no eyeshadow, nothing in here. I don't think it's worth $30, I'll say. But I got this serum from Mirad. I'm glad it's not a moisturizer. Lip oil, the liquid highlighter, liquid blush, and I also have the Tarte mascara. Yeah, so I don't think this is worth $30. I mean, yes, technically it is. Like these stores, these brands sell it for way more than $30, but I don't think I would have paid for it if I knew that these were the products. Like, I'm glad I got this bag. I love the bag, so I don't regret it. But at the same time, if I knew those were the products featured in this bag, I wouldn't have gotten it probably, but I liked it. It's okay. But that's gonna be the end of today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye.